I'm a software developer. Well, I was until AI stole my job. If you don't want to be like him, then hear me out. Yo, I'm Sunny, over 250,000 subscribers on YouTube. I own my own software agency and I've worked with some of the best in the tech industry like IBM and Microsoft. And I've got something huge for you guys for the next 5 days. Welcome to the 5-day AI SaaS challenge. I'm going to teach you from absolutely zero skill how to go ahead and build a full functioning, monthly recurring revenue generating SaaS application. It's going to be an app which allows users to upload their documents and chat to their documents using AI technology such as LangChain and OpenAI's ChatGPT. I'm going to show you how to monetize it. I'm going to show you how to market it. And this is literally going to be your blueprint to your SaaS business success. But it gets better. We partnered up with the guys over at Clerk to give you £10,000 worth of prizes, including an LG 34-inch ultra-wide monitor, a lifetime developer mentorship experience and coaching program, a wireless Keychron keyboard, and so much more, including Clerk swag packs, access to over 60 builds, a digital portfolio and resume, 4 free ebooks worth over £100, and access to the best developer community on the planet with over thousands of students inside already. So here's the deal. You sign up for completely free. There's over £10,000 worth of prizes. I reveal all my secrets for, again, free, and you get to save your job as a developer against the AI revolution. Waiting for another reason to sign up? Hit the link, sign up. I promise it'll be worth it. I wonder if I'll get my job back. Yeah.